everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be exploring Class 7 Science, Chapter 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. Let's begin. Wait. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Elements of the weather. Humidity, temperature, rainfall, snow, and lightning are some elements of the weather those are like the things that we see while we are predicting the weather. The government has a special department called the meteorological department. They predict the weather. The minimum maximum temperature is measured using a minimum maximum thermometer. The minimum temperature is in the morning and the maximum is in the afternoon. Hope you understood that. Let's move on. The measure of rainfall is done using an instrument called rain gauge. So that's an instrument which we use to measure rainfall. The change in weather is because of the sun. Animals adapt to their surroundings. So what is adaptation? Adaptation is the changes in their body when they try to fit in a location. Okay? Climate. What is the difference between climate and weather? Now, weather we see for only a day. So the weather is different for every day. Sometimes the weather is today is sunny. Sometimes the weather is today is going to be rainy or something like that. But climate is how the weather is like in different places. About 25 years observation. 25 years is just an example, but they observe how the place is like. So on one day it's cloudy, one day it's rainy, one day it's cloudy, one day it's rainy. What can you tell? It's mostly rainy. So the climate is rainy and cloudy. But when you go in a desert, you see that there's so much sun, less rainfall, no rainfall some days, like some weeks you can go without rainfall. So that is the climate of a desert, hot and dry. Polar region. Polar region. Lowest temperature that can go in polar region can be about minus 37, okay? Minus 37 degrees Celsius. Let me just fix it over here because I will add these things in the subtitles. The description as well, so I don't want anything to be wrong. Polar bears live in polar regions. They have two thick layers of white fur, which helps them hide and keep warm in cold temperatures. Now, how do they hide? Because the snow is white, so they can camouflage. Penguins are white too, so they can hide. They have thick skin with lots of fat, so they keep warm. Also, they live in crowds, okay? They live in crowds, so they can stay warm with body heat. Then we've got tropical rainforest. Now, tropical rainforests are near the equator. What is the equator? If you draw Earth like that, and you draw a line in the middle like that, that will be our equator. Okay, equator. Maximum temperature in tropical rainforest can go up to 40 degrees Celsius, and minimum can be 15 degrees Celsius. So it is quite hot over there. Day and night are almost equal over there. There is lots of rain as the name suggests and home to lots of animals. Animals have a good eyesight and hearing power. The red-eyed folk, they have sticky feet to climb, so they can climb trees, they can grip on nicely, and lion and tigers also live there. The lion tail is mechanical. This means that they have a beard tail, so their tail is very hairy. Why are days shorter in winter? Now let's see a diagram over here. This is summer. Now in summer, the earth is very close to the sun because earth orbits around the sun. It's in a optical meaning elliptical. Elliptical. So it's in an oval. So sometimes if the sun is here, if the earth is here, it's closer to the sun. While if the earth is over there, then it's not so close to the sun, right? Okay. Now let's go back to that. Summer is very close, but in winter they go far apart, so they get less sunlight, less heat, and that's why it's winter. So that's our chapter right there. Hope you understood everything, just a few important points, and I'll see you in the next chapter. Till then, take care and bye bye.